Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging here at Productronica 23 with two people from Rocka Solutions, Rodrigo and Fabiella. It's their first time in Productronica, so I guess I'll start by saying tell us a little bit more about your company and why you're here.
Thank you very much for having us. As you say, it's our first time here in Productronica with a booth because we haven't attended this show many years. But now it's our first time that we have a booth. Actually, we as Rocka, we are a manufacturing and distributor of different products, but we mainly focus on manufacturing products for the electronic market, more focused on the SMT technology materials. So right now, one of our key products are the SMT stencil roll that we made in Mexico. We are in process to make that as well in US and China. And right now here in Europe, we are working with Bentech. It's a well-known distributor in Europe with David. And we are putting our products in front of the customers with local stock right here in Europe as well.
So I guess you're sharing the booth with Bentech and Dave Bennett.
Yes, yes, we are sharing the booth.
Yep, you have a first comment is yes, you've made a good choice of partner. And how's the show looking for you so far?
So far, I think it's great. We weren't expecting a lot of people the first day, but the first day we received a lot of people, and I think today and tomorrow will be more people that will come to the show. And until now, it's so far so good.
Okay, so Fabiella, let's ask you. You obviously have some good products.
Yes.
How do you think they're going to take off within Europe? Are you looking at like a fast growth, or you think it's going to be steady, or how do you think the next year is going to run?
I think the next year is going to be very successful. We are having a very good growth in other regions. We are expecting the same in Europe. We are a very ambitious company, so we are working very hard to be present with all the customers in Europe too.
Okay, so you're basically now positioning yourself as a global brand.
Yes, yes, we are. We are global right now.
Yeah.
We just expand our U.S. presence with 2 sites in United States. We already covered all Mexico. We have presence in China and now in Europe too.
Okay, so I guess a question people in Europe will ask you, so I'll be the first. Where will you supply Europe from? Will it be from Mexico?
No, we are going to have a local place in England, probably, and where's?
Yes, we're going to have a local stock in different places of Europe, but I think the material will, at the first beginning, will be made of our China and Mexico, so we can have our 2 sites supplying Europe, and then we are looking forward to establish our production site in Europe as well.
Okay, so you will have local stock at Bentech, and they can take care of all the customer base that they're looking at in the region that you're working with.
Exactly. Yes, so they're going to make sure that the customer receives the products when they need, at the time they need, and with fast deliveries.
Okay, that sounds like the perfect plan to get some fast growth.
Yes,
So.
it's just the beginning, so I think it's the best plan to start our presence here, and then we look forward to growing Europe as well.
Okay, so I guess to finish off, you're with stencil rolls already. What other things would you have in the pipeline? Let's say, if we were sitting back here again in 2 years' time, what other products would you have brought into Europe? And what's your plan? What's your thinking? And either or both of you can
we're already
answer.
thinking the roadmap of our introduction for products. So the first product is SMT stencil roll. Then we're gonna bring our wipes, pre-saturated wipes, then router bits, and then the gloves, ESD gloves.
So a good wide range of consumables where you get, I used to work in the consumable industry, and it's lovely because you get nice regular orders, and once you have a happy customer, things just roll on, and it's not a bad environment to be in.
Exactly.
Okay, well, thank you very much for coming here and chatting to us today, and I wish you every success with Bentech for the future, and hopefully we'll chat again in 2 years' time at the next Productronica, if not before.
Yes, thank you for having us, and we look forward to see you in 2 years again.
Azemtech, as a part of Nano Dimension, is a company that specializes in the development, manufacturing, and distribution of equipment for electronics production. Our focus is on providing innovative solutions, helping the electronics manufacturers optimizing their production processes, increase their efficiency, and achieve high-quality results. Our products include pick-and-place machines, dispensing solutions, solder-paste jet printers, and reflow ovens.